Good morning. Hey. Okay. I got something to tell because this is a very strange day for me. This morning I got a message from the new owner of Elvis. You. I have to open the door. Kom, Elvis. Kom hier maar. Sally, nee. Goed zo. Oh. But at the end of the day, Elvis will go to his new owners. Well, it's very hard for me. Not only because I breed him and I raised him up and that, but I can't keep every horse. And that's not because of the space here, because there's space enough. But it's because of, well, my brain. I can't do it all like before the accident. So that's hard for me. And I tried the last years. It's not the way I had in mind. So I thought I have to say goodbye to the colt. So I don't have any extra things in my head of keeping the colts. And that's one reason. So I think it's better. So Sally can stay. Doe maar, Elvis. I wanted to say, I'm sorry I can't explain it that fast, because in Dutch and the Friesian language, I also have, it's complicated for me in my head. So English is for me much, English is much harder for me. So I have to think of the translation and how do I have to say. And so that's hard for me, so sorry if I don't talk that fast. But I also wanted to say, I don't know if I said that right, if I said it right, but there's a lot of work from all the horses, and I can't do all the work because my body can't do it anymore. So I have help from a lot of people. From Bauke and Silke, Vera, Renske, Gea, my father-in-law, but it's too much. So there have horses to go. Hey, that was a carrot from you. Thank you. Where it is? Can't find it. Sally. So hopefully you understand. And Elvis is about 45 minutes from my home. Well, half an hour. So I hope we can visit him soon. Joker. Hey. Tayaran. Reisy can go here again. Elvis, Sally, Dolly, Rijntje and Reissie. And there are the ponies. Hey! Daisy, Glendy and Peach. And this morning there was a lot of rain. So the weather is turning. It's really become autumn right now. Herfst in Dutch. In the Friesian, jest. Yeah. So that's not that nice. Because the horses have to go inside and there's more work to do in the stable. So that's it. Oh, they are all wet. Hey Glendy. So the ponies have some hay. There are the fillies. Oh, I don't see who is who. Sorry. But Boukje, Belle, Blomke and Yveske. Tyrone. Hello. We're finished riding. And I thought while riding I can think about the next thing I want to say. Oh, I don't know if this is a good idea. Yeah? Okay. I also wanted to tell that of course the horses are very expensive to buy them, to raise them, to feed them, to go to the vet, to take care of them, everything, and all the work I already said. But sometimes I have to sell a horse to have some money to buy everything. Thanks to you, I also get some money from YouTube. So when you watch the videos as long as possible, and when you watch the ads, thanks to that I can get some money, and I can pay for the horses, and because some of you buy me a carrot, and in that way I can pay everything. I can pay for everything, and to get some more money, sometimes I have to sell a horse. But first I wanted to sell Glendy, but she got lame. And then Unique passed away. Yeah, that's a horse less, so another horse can stay. Hey, Reissie. And of course, Reissie, he's lame. And then we got Rijntje, she's also lame. So then I thought I want to ride because I like to ride and because I can do it again after my accident. So that's the moment I thought I buy Tyrone. So, and actually he's a very nice horse. He's very chill and relaxed, and that's what I need. Because earlier I liked the horses with a bit more action, but this is better for me because I can't handle it anymore. So this is a perfect horse for now. And yes, that's it, I think. So the main reason to sell Elvis is because of all the things, all the work, and my brain can't do everything. Because the work is not here but there for a long time now, and I have to make a decision that it's not that good for me anymore, because I also want to have time for my family, the children, friends. I don't see a lot of friends because I'm always working. I'm always on the computer editing, so it's busy. And yes, I have to take care of myself, I think. And now my arm is getting heavy because my right arm isn't that good anymore. Well, I hope it comes again. Because I broke my elbow a couple of weeks ago, 7 weeks ago now. So it's getting better and better. But it's not that strong as before. But hey, I like horses. Thank you all for everything. Thanks to you, I can have this life. And I like to share it with you all. And there's a deer again. Oh, there it is. Come on. Goed zo. Please look happy. Yes. No? And no. Goed zo. That's Daisy. Oh, watching the deer. The last time we bring Elvis outside. Doe maar. Glendy and Peach. Come on, Elvis. Rijsie, Tyrone, Rijntje en Dolly en Sally. Come on. Oh, Elvis. I will miss him. He's really a very sweet foal. Yes. Hey, oh, don't bite me, please. Yes, he's sweet. Yuck. Oh. Tyrone. And behind him is Elvis, Sally. Over there, Rijntje and Dolly and Rijsie. And they were in the back. And I thought I walk there and make a video. Because this is the last time Elvis is here. Hello. Rijntje. Yes, Rijntje. What's that? I brought the water bowl again. And the other ones are behind it. Yes, there. Dolly. Elvis. Hey Rijntje. Dolly. Hey, how's your nose? Oh, yesterday we tied her up with a halter, and she goes with her nose against something. Now it's a bit open, but it's not that bad. Hey Elvis. Maren en Rijn. Oh. Hij gaat een lied.
Waarom is alles niet?
Waar is nou die eigen halster?
Ja, Do, wie is dat? Hé, net snuffelen om de
Straks
telefoon.
valt hij. Nou. Vind je dat gek?
Wil jij maar dat Elvis fit gaat?
Ja, stom hè?
En die houdt iets zo leeft, Jimmy.
Ik echt dacht dat dit halster passies hoor.
Ik.
Waar is die oren?
Weet ik net.
Misschien pas deze.
Hoop ik.
Deze is misschien wel te druk.
Hoop ik net.
Oh, deze is van korallen.
Korallen.
Oh. Belleman.
Oh. Maar toch net helemaal.
Nee, de helft man. Die? Oh, die is stikken. Niet goed is.
En dit is mem.
Hoi.
Ik hoop dat hij past.
Wauw.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Ja.
Wat ben je aan het doen?
I'm grooming Elvis because he's going to his new home this evening.
Jammer.
Yeah. Oh, hij krijgt echt al een hele dikke stut.
Ja.
Als hij ouder is, dan heeft hij echt een mega stut.
Hoeveel krabbert dit?
Hey. Super. Wat is dichterbij, hè?
Dus altijd eerst de voorbenen.
Ja.
En daarna de achter van dezelfde kant.
Ja. Heel goed.
Wat mooi.
Mooi, hè?
Je hoeven. Mooie
Awesome.
hoeven.
Nee. Ja, goed zo. Oh. Net het dichter achter.
Mooie. Mooie van vis.
Ja. Zo. Nou.
Braaf.
Ik zet hem weer wat om. En straks doet hij ophellen.
Jammer.
Is het jammer?
Super jammer.
Ja, hè? Waarom heeft de cap op?
Omdat ik mijn meiden op deze zie.
Oh ja, je ziet hem op Daisy. Zit wel lekker, hè, een cap.
Ja.
Nou, zal ik hem weer omzetten?
Toch maar. Doei.
Links erom.
Jammer.
Hey, hallo. Oh no. There they come to pick up Elvis. What's that, Sally? Oh, I think it's a new friend for Elvis.
Wat gebeurt er daar, ja?
Die tijd is net zo leuk.
Nee, vind je het leuk? Just hem wel ergens, ja.
Bye, Elvis.
Doei Elvis. Misschien tot volgende keer.
We gaan hem een keer op ziekje Rijn.
Ja.
Oh, sorry, Sally. Hey. Rijntje. Okay, I hate these moments. Sorry. Sorry. Hey. Jammer hè, Rijn?
Ja, super jammer.
Ja, hè? Oh, zielig voor Sally.
Ja.
Hey. That's it? Hey, Rocky. Hello. Yes, I would say Sally is looking for Elvis, but I thought it would be worse. Hey, that's it? I'm so sorry. Hey. I think she don't like me at this moment. Rocky? What are you doing? Go there, please. Hey. Yeah? Is it okay? Hey. No. Please. Hey, Dolly. Your friend is gone. Hey. Hey, Rijntje. Sally is looking for him every now and then, but she's happy with her carrots. I don't give her that much pellets right now because it's better for the milk production. I think that's how you call it. So some carrots from all of you, and hopefully tomorrow it's also okay. In this way she's looking for him, and actually not more. That's it. So I think it's gonna be okay.